Hello everyone, welcome to today's EVS class. Today we are going to start the 16th chapter, A Busy Month. We all know that birds are the animals with their bodies covered with feathers. And they have a pair of wings, legs and feet. They do not have lips and teeth, but a hard beak instead. Birds make nests and they lay eggs. And today we are going to study birds and their nests. Actually, what is nest? Do you know, children, what is nest? This is a place where the birds live with their young ones. Different birds have different types of nests. They use grass, straws, twigs, pieces of clothes, paper and thread to build their nests. Birds use nests to lay and hatch eggs. The nests also protect the birds and their young ones from bad weather and enemies. And they also made nests at various places like bushes, branches of trees, tree trunks, roofs of the houses, earth mounds, and even on the ground. And children, what do you think? Do birds make nests all the year around? No, each bird has a particular time to build its nest and lay eggs. It is called nesting season. For most of the birds, the nesting season is from March to July. Birds are very busy in these months. Let's see some nests of different birds. First one, Indian robin. Look at the Indian robin. Indian robin made nest with grass, soft twigs, roots, wool, hair, cotton wool, etc. They make nest between the stones. You can see in this picture. Look here, the picture of a crow and its nest. A crow's nest is made of all kinds of things like grass, twigs, roots, hair, wool, and even wires and wood. They make their nest high upon a tree. And do you know, children, the coil bird does not even make its own nest. Do you know where a coil lay its egg? Coil lay its eggs in the crow's nest, and the crow takes care of the eggs along with its own children. So the coil bird is very lazy and the coil does not make its own nest. They lay its eggs in the crow's nest. Look here, the picture of a tailor bird and its beautiful nest. A tailor bird makes nest with leaves. It uses its sharp beak to stitch leaves to make nest. Next one, weaver bird or sunbird. We can see here a beautiful nest. Can you see? Weaver bird weave grass and twigs with their beak to make beautiful nests. They also use hair, leaves, cloth rags and even spider webs. They usually make nests hanging on the branches. Next, pigeons. Pigeons make their nest inside the house, especially in the old and deserted buildings. You can see in this picture, pigeons make nest in a old and deserted buildings. Sparrows. Sparrows also build their nest inside our house and courtyard. It can be above the cupboard, behind the mirror, or top of the walls of the house. Next, you can see here woodpecker and coppersmith. They makes holes in tree trunks with its beaks and make its nest. So these birds, woodpecker and coppersmith, make holes in tree trunk and live in that holes. Like this, parrots, owls and hornbills also make their nest in the holes in a tree trunk. So these are the different types of nests. Making a nest and laying eggs are the only first steps. It is a difficult task to raise the young ones in the nests because birds have many enemies such as humans, squirrels, cats, rats, snakes, etc. All of them wait for a chance to steal the eggs and babies. So, both the parent birds take care of babies with so much effort. Thus, don't disturb and harm the birds. Today we discussed what is nest and different types of nests. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.